Hi Street Motoziers, this is Mike, and what you see behind me is a 2026 YZ250FX. I'm going to be installing a cooling fan on the radiator today. I purchased one from Yamaha. I'm going to be opening up the box, show you what's inside, and show you how easy it is to install this fan. Here's the brand new box. GYTR stands for Genuine Yamaha Technology Racing. This should have the fan and all the parts to install the fan on your YZ250FX. Let's see what we have. Looks like some instructions, some detailed information. We've got a package of parts. Looks like a bolt, second bolt, and a third bolt. All Yamaha parts. And there are 3 clamps. That is all the parts other than the fan. The packaging is really nice. And here is the GYTR radiator fan. There's a connector on it to connect to your bike and 3 holes to install the 3 bolts. This is where the fan will be installed. I'm not installing it now, but getting a feel of it. Step 1 is remove the 3 bolts on the front right cover. Also, the right radiator plastic protector will come out. Step 2, remove the 2 radiator bolts front and back, and remove the engine guard cover, which is the black belly pin that covers the engine. You can see the fan is installed on the radiator, but it's not fully installed. Step 3, install the fan mount tabs on the radiator. Place the fan on the radiator and get the inside bolt just barely started. Step 4, my top outside bolt did not line up well. Line it up and get the top outside bolt barely started on the thread. Step 5, install the outside bottom bolt. Step 6, tighten all 3 fan bolts. Step 7, route the fan wire to above the fan and behind the frame. Step 8, remove the plug from the fan connector that comes from the bike. Step 9, connect the fan wire to the bike. The fan is now installed. Step 10, install the 2 radiator bolts front and back. I was a little nervous about taking out these bolts, and I thought I might run into some issues, but it's really simple. They just come right out, and the radiator becomes much movable, giving you access to install the fan. Step 11, install the front radiator plastic guard and the 3 bolts on the front right cover. We're on the home stretch. Hang in there. We're going to get it finished here shortly. Step 12, install the engine guard cover. Once this engine guard cover is installed, you are done. Nice job.